Still on number 3 of this one. So number 3 has a trigger at the computer. Now let's go to the coil. Still number 3 at the coil. Look, no trigger at the coil, 14 volts. But we have a trigger at the computer. That makes no sense.